Welcome to this video of ZKTeco Europe, where we want to introduce you to an autonomous access control terminal, the MK-V1. This terminal allows us the configuration by itself to open a door relay. And in addition to this we have Wi-Fi communication, as it can be configured through the Z Smart application. This equipment supports IP65 protection, which means that it can be installed outdoors. As you can see, we have a keypad with pin. We have RF module both for cards MyFair and SM card. And if we buy the version MK-V1 Script P, we will also have a fingerprint sensor in the box. Apart from the terminal, we will have a master card for autonomously enrolling users. We will have an installation manual and a configuration manual, and we will have the necessary accessories to carry out the installation. This terminal, the MK-V1, is recommended for installations where access control should be simple and does not need to be functionalities, for example doors or offices. In the following unboxing we will introduce you to the series of readers KF1000. Readers with facial recognition capability.